2018 Uvalues Q5 Part C. It is proposed to redesign the above floor and upgrade its thermal properties to meet the Passive House standard by including expanded polystyrene in the design of the floor. Given the thermal conductivity of expanded polystyrene as 0.037, calculate the thickness of expanded polystyrene required to achieve a U value of 0.15. So they're adding extra insulation to the floor to increase the resistance. We need to figure out in this part of the question how much insulation has to be added on. Going to our question. So getting to the question, we're going to be dealing with the new floor and the old floor. The new floor, when they add the insulation, they want a U value of 0.15. It said it in the question. Our floor at the minute has a U value which we worked out in the last question. So part A, when we worked it out, we had a U value of 1.2436. And a resistance, which we worked out here, of 0.8041. We need to work out how much resistance the new floor needs to put up first of all. So, for a U value of 1.2436, you need 0.8041 of resistance. We're doing the same here. How much resistance do we need for a U value of 0.15? To do that, we use our U value formula. U value equals 1 over resistance. We have to change the formula around or manipulate it, so we would cross multiply. So U value multiplied by R equals 1. So U value multiplied by R equals 1. We want R on its own, so we bring it across and divide. So we end up that R equals 1 divided by U value, which is 1 divided by 0.15. That came in at 6.666. So this is the resistance we want. We have this much resistance at the minute. We need to find the difference. So R new, the new resistance, minus R old, the old resistance, 6.666 minus 0.8041, and that works out to be 5.862. This is the resistance we need to add. We need to add 5.862. So that is our resistance measurement, 5.862. Conductivity was given in the question. The conductivity was 0.037. And then we can work with our resistance equals T over K formula. So resistance equals thickness divided by conductivity. Again, we need to manipulate the formula. So T by 1, thickness equals resistance by conductivity. So we multiply out resistance by conductivity, 5.862 multiplied by 0.037, and that comes in at 0.216 meters. And in real life, or in everyday life, we'd call that 216 millimeters of insulation to be added. But your answer is 0.216 meters of polystyrene insulation needs to be added to this floor.